over this room, everybody. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, put your hands together. Woo! Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. There is
something about the name Jesus. He has power to heal, power to save.
at the mention of his name.
Mention of the name Jesus, we have victory.
One more time, say that again, say that again.
Something about the name Jesus. He has power of redemption.
We know that chains break.
At the mention of the name Jesus, we have victory.
Can you say it like you mean it one more time?
Something about the name Jesus.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
His wrong will skip and shake at his voice.
Chains break.
At the mention of the name Jesus, we have victory.
One more time, yeah, you can do better, do it louder.
Something about the name Jesus. His wrong will skip and shake at his voice. Chains break at the mention of the name Jesus.
Yeah.
Victory.
Hey, somebody call
Jesus.
Somebody call it. Call the name Jesus. So much power. Hey, somebody call it. Oh, oh,
Jesus.
oh.
There is power in your name, so much power in your name.
Everybody call him.
Jesus.
We know his name.
Jesus. There is power in your
So
name,
much power. Somebody call him.
Jesus.
Somebody call him.
There is power in your name, so much power in your name.
Jesus. Jesus.
Power in your name, so
With all power in your hands, Jesus. We make our boast in your name. So much power. Jesus. So much power. Everybody, lift your voices and call the name Jesus. So come on now. Yeah. Great King. One more time. All over. Say it again. Your name will live. Woo. Come on now. Come on, choir. Let me hear you. One more time. Out of four louder. Where are my soprano singers? Come on now. One more time, sing it on the soprano. Great healer, strong tower. You are my refuge. You are my comfort. Oh, my keeper, mighty redeemer, Prince of Sharon. You are the rock of ages. Lift your hands and call the name Jesus, the name that delivers, the name that set free.